using a tin can. These are great for pencils, markers, crayons, and more.
Let's talk about supplies. We'll need decorative paper, a marker, a set of eyeballs, a clean tin can with the label removed, a glue stick, and some tape. I've already cut my decorative paper to fit the can. First, I'm going to attach the paper to the can using a piece of tape. Next, I'll wrap the paper around the can and secure it using my glue stick. Now I'll use the glue stick to attach the eyeballs. There we go. Let's finish it up and draw a cute smiley face. Place your markers inside, and there you have it. I also like using wrapping paper for simple designs like these. Check out more recycling videos at mydisposal.com/kids. Thanks for watching!